All right, hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your pal Larry, and we're back for a little bit of a notification that we have a handy-dandy Discord server. It's been around for a few years. Originally, it was how I recorded my original tutorial videos. I used that as like my testing bed to show you how everything works, but then eventually I was like, well, I should open this up for other people so that you can pop in and then you can do things like ask questions, just hang out and say hi, post memes, play fun games, listen to super cool music, and just kind of hang out and share cool stuff. That was kind of the idea. And of course, there's definitely always room for people to get live feedback on how to fix certain technical problems, because I know that's a big reason why a lot of people come to the channel. So let's take a look at what is going on the actual Discord server. We'll look right over here. So in the general chat, you can drop by and say hello. We were talking about tractors the other day because I'm looking at buying a new tractor. Actually, I shared some pictures of that here under art and images, where people like to post things like pictures of their cats, cool race cars. We also got the tractor I'm looking at buying, all that good stuff. We've got memes, the danker the better, including cats stuck in random cat feeders. We've got food pictures. Come share the food that you like to cook for yourself and your family. Listen to some great music. Mess around with bots. Play truth or dare. We've got it all. We've even got a spot down here where you can get help with your different technical questions under tutorial talk and question and answer. We have a creator chat. If you're a content creator and you want to collaborate with other creators, you can pop in there, share your stuff. We always love to see it. We've also got gaming, and of course, the member roles, where you can assign yourself a member role based upon one of your favorite mythological creatures. And of course, we might be looking for new staff soon if we get a bunch of people, so look out for those staff applications. You could become a chat moderator, you could become an admin, or just a general purpose server moderator. So stop by, there's room for everybody. And yeah, we will see you here on the Discord. The link is in the video description below. Click it, join, do the thing. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on Discord. Bye, everyone.